Alright everybody, it's time for our football break for the week. One hobby box of 2021 Prizm football. 2 autographs per box, 10 numbered cards, and 4 silver prisms. In addition to that, opened up same product last week, and first off the line box the week before that. First off the line box didn't go so great. Last week was really good. Justin Fields autograph and Brevin Jordan gold vinyl card, so went pretty well. I'm hoping it'll be more like last week than the week before that. This will be the last hobby Prizm break I'll be doing for a while. I do have a little bit of retail Prizm that I will be opening up coming up soon. So got a Whatnot night coming up soon too. I mentioned I'll be doing a baseball night a week from now. My plan is to do a football night on Sunday, July 3rd. Hopefully people aren't too busy with July 4th weekend plans and are saving it for the 4th or the 2nd, depending on when everybody's doing fireworks. So I'll have more details on that coming up soon. But let's get to the breaks. Got everybody listed here already. Gonna randomize 10 times on random.org, and then gonna randomize 10 more times on this Gem Mint website. Let me post this in the chat real quick and read them out for everybody. All right, Anthony S has the Cardinals, Brian M has the Falcons, Jake K's got the Ravens, Dan M's got the Bills, Jake K's got the Panthers, Sean's got the Bears, Brian M's got the Bengals, Laura's got the Browns, Anthony's got the Cowboys, Michael M's got the Broncos, Sean's got the Lions, Laura's got the Packers, Jake has the Texans. Good for Jake getting his own team there. That's pretty cool. Dan M's got the Colts and Jags. Jake's got the Chiefs. Dan's got the Raiders. Sean's got the Chargers. Jake's got the Rams. Sean's got the Dolphins. Jake's got the Vikings. Michael M's got the Patriots. Anthony S has the Saints. Jake's got the Giants. Brian's got the Jets. Sean has the Eagles. Brian has the Steelers. Sean has the Niners. David F has the Seahawks. Jake has the Buccaneers, Sean has the Titans, and Washington football team. Should be pretty fun. Good luck to everybody. Hoping we hit some really good numbered cards as well as autographs. As we know from the previous breaks, it's a little hit or miss, unfortunately. Alright, gonna be starting from front to back in the box. Just an FYI if anybody's trying to keep track where the hits are. Let's see, Chad Johnson, CD Lamb, T. Higgins, James Robinson, Leonard Floyd, Derrick Henry, Dawson Knox, Joey Bosa, Levi Onwuzurike rookie card, and a Greg Newsome rookie card. Got an orange of Saquon Barkley for the New York Giants, and an emergent insert of Devontae Smith. See the numbering on that Saquon. It is 60 out of 60. Not bad. Pretty low number. Some color there in the back. Dante Fowler, Austin Hooper, Jeremy Chin, Fred Warner of the Niners, Tony Baselli, Kyler Murray, Pat Peterson for the Vikes, Cole Hardman. First rookie card is, I'm not sure how to pronounce his first name, Zavin or Zavin, probably Zavin Collins. And Monty Rice, the other rookie card for the Titans. Got this green Pulsar. It is a rookie card. It is Dayo Odeyingbo. And our autograph at the bottom of this pack. Flashback, Plaxico Burress. Another New York Giants hit. Beautiful autograph for Plaxico. So, going to the Giants, that's Jake. Jake's getting the last two big hits. This Plaxico Burress card is numbered 6 out of 99. And this hit is 129 out of 175. Let's go to Dan M. Really love the look of that Prizm, personally. Alright, really hoping for a rookie autograph to go along with this Plaxico. Here's Juju, Tavius Murray, Saquon, Myles Gaskin, Tyler Lockett, Damian Harris, Amon Green, Teddy Bridgewater. Got a Rondale Moore base rookie card, Kylan Hill base, and let's see what this refractor is. Looks like it's the same variation as last time, which is pretty cool. And it's Josh Allen. That's a pretty good one to get. AJ Brown Brilliance insert as well. Josh Allen should be numbered to 175. Yeah, but it's 149 out of 175 for the Bills. And that's Dan M again. All right, Marlon Humphrey, Miles Sanders, Sam Hubbard, Peyton Manning, Jamison Crowder, Laviska Shenault, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Darnell Savage. Got Jamar Chase base, very nice. Javon Holland base rookie card, and this parallel. Chris Jones of the Kansas City Chiefs. And our second autograph, we hit it pretty quickly. Trey Sermon of the San Francisco 49ers. This one's not numbered. Silver rookie card of Trey Sermon going to Sean E. Congrats, Sean, on that hit. So unless something weird happens, that's it for autographs. The Chris Jones is number 95 out of 199. Jesse Bates, Tyler Boyd, Grady Jarrett, Aaron Donald, Ryan Tannehill, Nick Bosa, Cortland Sutton, Justin Jefferson, De'Ami Brown rookie, Racy McMath rookie for the Titans. Got a Roquan Smith orange Prizm, number to 249, and a fireworks insert of Darren Waller. Roquan Smith going to the Bears. That's Sean again. Odell Beckham, Derek Brown, Emmitt Smith, Mark Brunell, Steve Largent, Tua, Kenyon Drake, Cole Beasley, rookie card Des Fitzpatrick for the Titans, and Elijah Molden for the Titans as well. And we got a blue Prizm here. It's a rookie card, and it is not the Patriot we're looking for. Christian Barmore. And this is number to 199. Got a Jalen Smith lockdown silver Prizm below that. For the Cowboys. Nick Chubb, Luke Kuechly, Chase Claypool, Michael Pittman, James Conner, Jordan Akins, Corey Littleton, Josh Allen, rookie card of Jacob Harris for the Rams, Chris Evans of the Bengals, orange of Avante Maddox for the Philadelphia Eagles, and a silver of Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. And we got Avante Maddox last week as well. This one's numbered 14 out of 249 for the Eagles. Deuce McAllister, Blake Martinez, Mike Evans, Marcus May, Kyle Van Noy, Brandon Cooks, Kenneth Murray, Randy Moss, rookie card of Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins, Eric Stokes of the Packers, and we got a blue cracked ice, somebody on the Chiefs, Tyrann Mathieu. And a silver Charles Woodson for the Raiders. Matthew is numbered 51 out of 99. So not getting any QB love, unfortunately. I hope that changes soon. Like at least some base rookies, but ideally some numbered cards. Darius Slay, TJ Houshmandzadeh, Michael Gallup, Michael Pirine, Josh Allen, Jalen Ramsey, Travis Kelce, Rashad Perryman. That's a nice one. Micah Parsons rookie card, and Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie card. And let's see this red Prizm. It's Fred Warner of the San Francisco 49ers, and a new recruits insert of Jamar Chase. Fred Warner is numbered to 149, 118 and 149. And I believe we got 3 more packs to go. Devin White, Deion Jones, Baker Mayfield, Jeffrey Simmons, Joe Montana, T.Y. Hilton, Melvin Gordon, Barry Sanders, rookie card 1, Jamar Jefferson, rookie card 2, Jalen Waddle of the Dolphins, and we got a purple rookie card here, De'Ami Brown of the Washington football team. CeeDee Lamb silver as well. Brown is numbered 125 out of 120 out of 125. And that one's going to Sean. Nice getting a Jalen Waddle rookie card. Last 2 packs. Yetur Gross-Matos, Deontay Johnson, Cameron Jordan, Chase Edmonds, Laramie Tunsil, Will Dissly, Adrian Amos, Jerry Jeudy, Trayvon Moore, rookie card for the Raiders, Trey Sermon, rookie card for the Giants, and a purple crack ice of Khalil Mack for the Chicago Bears. And a fireworks insert of Najee Harris at the bottom of that pack. Khalil Mack is numbered 133 out of 225. And our last pack here. Leonard Williams, Rex Ryan, rookie card. Sure. I guess if you want to call it a rookie card. Alright. Fletcher Cox, Devin McCourty, Marshall Faulk, Chris Herndon, Adam Thielen, Jonathan Abram, got a Jalen Camp rookie card, Ramondre Stevenson rookie card, got an orange, it is Charles Woodson of the Oakland Raiders, and I got a silver rookie card here, Gary Brightwell of the New York Giants. The Woodson is numbered 90 out of 249. Alright, so quick recap here. Not the best box from this product, unfortunately. Thankfully the price of this break wasn't too high. As usual, the numbered parallels look great. It's got a Fred Warner, red, Prizm, Roquan Smith, orange, Monte Maddox, orange, pretty low numbered orange Saquon Barkley, the 60 I believe, Chris Jones, blue, and the Deo Odeyingbo and Josh Allen parallels to 149, Charles Woodson, orange, Christian Barmore, Nice blue rookie card there. Blue Ice of Tyrann Mathieu. Purple Ice of Khalil Mack. And our autographs are Plexico Burst and Trey Sermon. So yeah, but not super thrilled with the turnout, but I guess it could have been worse. Could have been 2 points card or something. So hope you guys got some decent rookie cards, or at least something out of it. I'll be including some more rookie and stars, Pulsar, Prizm rookie cards and base cards. Make sure you guys get a little bit of something out of this break. And like I said previously, we'll be on Whatnot. The plan is for a football night on July 3rd. Baseball will be next Thursday, and doing a basketball night shortly after that. So I'll be getting more info out on that this weekend. Till then, check out the website. Maybe get a feel for what it's like, and hopefully we'll be able to get everybody some good deals that way through the auction process. So yeah, that's it for us for the night. I hope you guys have a good rest of the weekend, and we will see you next week on Whatnot. Take care, everybody.